Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dataiku to PostgreSQL for ML-ready datasets step by step clearly. Start by opening your Dataiku application. Ensure you have the PostgreSQL database credentials handy. In Dataiku, create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the Connections tab on the left panel. Click on the New Connection button to start creating a new connection. In the connection type options, select PostgreSQL. Enter a descriptive name for your connection in the name field. Fill in the PostgreSQL host address in the corresponding field. Input the port number, usually it is 5432 for PostgreSQL. Enter your PostgreSQL username and password for authentication. Specify the database name you want to connect to. Click on the Test Connection button to ensure your details are correct. Once the test passes, click Save to finalize the connection setup. Now, navigate to the Dataset section within your project. Click on the New Dataset button to create a new dataset. In the Source Type options, choose SQL Query. Select the PostgreSQL connection you just created from the drop-down menu. Write your SQL query to fetch the required data from your PostgreSQL database. Click on Validate to ensure your SQL query is correctly formatted. Once validated, click Create Dataset to bring the data into Dataiku. Review the dataset settings and make any necessary adjustments. Now you have successfully connected Dataiku to PostgreSQL and fetched your data. Your dataset is now ready for machine learning processing and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.